My father actually hurt his back, and it was really bad, and they wanted to do exploratory surgery on his back. We didn't know what to do, and a friend actually recommended that he sees a chiropractor. And he went and he got adjusted, and within a day or two, he was back to work. So that was my first experience with chiropractic, and it was quite miraculous, the results he got. Fast forward 20 years, in my early 20s, I was considering going into dental school. But one day I was working out, and this gentleman pulls up in this beautiful red turbo Porsche. So I introduced myself, and I asked him what he did for a living. He said he was a chiropractor. Then it reminded me when my father got that miraculous help with the chiropractor. And so before long, I was in chiropractic school. I changed my major, and here I am. I graduated in April 15th, 1995. It's been 30 years now. And I've never looked back. It's an absolutely incredible profession where literally we see miracles just about every day. And when I say miracles every day, we get patients that come as a last resort. And maybe they've gone to the orthopedic surgeon, they've gone to top neurologists, and nobody can help them. And they're just like at the end of their rope. They just don't know what to do. And they come to me, and sometimes one or two adjustments, and we get them out of pain. For us, it's no miracle, it's just the body healing itself. If you have severe neck pain or back pain or different conditions, if you just give the body what it needs, a little push in the right direction goes a long way. We're working with that power, that innate intelligence within the body that's always striving toward healing. No matter how sick you may be, no matter how long you had the condition, the body is always striving toward balance and homeostasis. We just realign the structure and allow the body to function a little bit better, bring the nervous system back into balance, and the body will heal itself.